Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn about multiplication formula in Microsoft Excel. And after watching this tutorial, you'll be able to use this formula efficiently. Let's get into the video. So I have very simple example. I have few columns. One is employee name. Second one is overtime rate. Third one is overtime hours. If I want to calculate overtime amount at the end, at the last column, so what I will do, I will use multiplication formula to multiply the overtime rate with overtime hours. How can I do this? The formula start with is equal to, click on this cell, it will pick its reference number, then asterisk, and then click on this cell, it will pick its reference number, press enter. So it will multiply the overtime rate with overtime hours and it will calculate the overtime amount. If I want to calculate the overtime amount for rest of the employees as well, so what I will do, I'll go at the far right bottom of this cell. When the plus sign appear, I will just double click and it will apply the formula for rest of the rows as well. So you can see now. And if you want to edit any formula, just place the cursor on the cell and press F2. It will show how the formula worked on this cell. Press enter. So this is how you can easily multiply your values for calculating the overtime amount and any other result. Hit the like button if you like this video and make sure to subscribe my channel.